Okay, here we go on a quick tutorial of how to make slides in Google Drive. After you or your student log into Google Drive, you're probably used to seeing a screen like this. To do a PowerPoint type presentation, click on New, Google Slides. You'll probably want to give your presentation a name, but before that, you might pick a theme just like you would in PowerPoint, excuse me. So you can just kind of click on any of those and that will set up the theme for the slides. I'm not going to pick anything too crazy. You might want to remind kids not to do that as well. So I just double clicked on that and you can see it sets the slide up. I'll come up here to give myself a name. I can change this at any time, but go ahead and make sure I have a name so I can find it later. And then pretty simply, just like PowerPoint, I click in whatever I need. I can add new slides by pushing the plus button, and we can see that we'll get a couple different slides. There are layout and image inserts and different backgrounds and fonts and things I can do, but pretty similar to anything you would do in Google Slides. I'm sorry, Google Drive for any of the options. If I want to insert an image, I can click on Insert Image, or I could have used the little image icon. I can use a snapshot using my camera on the computer if I have one. I can get one from a website if I have one, or I can upload it from any computer image I might have. So let's say I wanted to add this image. I'll wait for it. And there we go. And I can put that in. This is from our third grade immigration station as we were building the set, if you're wondering what the picture was. And I can put that in and move it around and resize it. I can even twirl it around a little bit if I want it to be offset. Again, clicking and typing is just as easy as that. And students will probably be pretty familiar with this from their PowerPoint experience. Teachers, I expect us to be experienced with it as well from that. Works very similar. Obviously, this is all Google Drive, so it's sharing or saving itself. We don't have to worry about saving to the network, which doesn't exist, or flash drives or any of that. And students can share this with teachers for instant grading or share it with other students for collaboration if they wanted to edit. If they just want you to view it, they can click on those. Obviously, some of the shareable things we've talked about in the past. So that's Google Slides, a really basic brief overview, very much like PowerPoint, just a little more interactive and allows for that collaboration piece to hopefully get that engagement level increased for our students.